Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you about how can you remove wrinkles from cotton bed linens. The trusted way to remove wrinkles is to iron them straight out of the dryer or drying line and fold them neatly for next use. However, ironing a king-size bedsheet every week is an easier task said than done. Some materials naturally don't need to be ironed. The 100% cotton bedsheets from Bedsheets India may look crisp first, but they get softer with every wash. As a result, air drying and neatly folding these sheets may be enough, and these may not need ironing. Linen, an equally natural and lovely fabric like cotton, may need to be ironed if you don't want the sheets to look crumpled after washing and drying them. If you use a dryer, then the sheets definitely get crumpled more than air drying. You may hence need to either iron the sheets yourself or pay someone to get this done. Air drying is better for the sheets because it doesn't stress the yarns. Hope this helps.